Finding reliable air conditioning service near Swarthmore, Pennsylvania is easier with PJ Mac HVAC air duct cleaning, delivering fast repairs, seasonal maintenance, and honest solutions to keep your home cool. From diagnosing uneven cooling to complete system tune-ups, our technicians arrive on time, explain the work clearly, and ensure efficient performance during Pennsylvania summers while preventing breakdowns, extending equipment life, lowering energy costs, and keeping your home comfortable reliably. Contact us today to schedule your free consultation. Are you looking for an air conditioning service near me? You can stop looking. You found PJ Mac HVAC air duct cleaning. How often should I service my air conditioner? Most air conditioners should be serviced once a year, ideally before summer, to ensure proper operation, catch small issues early, and keep the system running efficiently during heavy use. Is regular AC maintenance really necessary? Regular AC maintenance helps prevent breakdowns, improves efficiency, extends system lifespan, and keeps energy bills lower, making it a smart and cost-effective way to avoid unexpected repairs. What is the service area for your Swarthmore, Pennsylvania location? Our air conditioning service has helped clients in the surrounding areas of Swarthmore, Media, Glen Riddle, Brookhaven, Upland, Parkside, Village Green, Lima, Chester, Eddystone, Ridley Park, Folsom, Rutledge, Glenolden, Fulcroft, Leicester, Morton, Wallingford, Moylan, and Elwyn, Pennsylvania. Where is your Swarthmore, Pennsylvania air conditioning service office located? We are located at 630 Fairview Road, number 110, Swarthmore, Pennsylvania 19081. Our phone number is 610-424-6275. Visit our website, pjmachvac.com/air-duct-cleaning-service-Swarthmore.